I'm just going to pull her hair back in a ponytail, and you don't have to worry at all about how messy it is right now.
I'm Michelle's little assistant today.
Yes.
I'm actually learning something today as well. This is awesome.
This is a great technique because you do not have to pre-worry about how flyaway or messy this gets. So now we're going to spray our Aussie hairspray. Really get it on there.
Any specific reason why you have the pony at that particular part of the head?
Well, this is kind of important because especially for a ballet class, you don't want it too high or too low. Just the perfect height. We're going to now smooth everything in.
I can see why you want to use that beard brush. It works really well.
It's wonderful.
Yeah.
And you could say, oh, well, what about this mess back here? It really doesn't matter. We're going to be covering it up with the bun. So with Christina's level of thickness and length, we're going to do 2 twists. And you keep twisting and twisting all the way down and start pinning. And this is basically it. So as we go around, we're going to pin, and I'm using bobby pins for this part. And we're not going to use lots of them, just get it in there.
And there is a difference between bobby pins and hairpins.
Yes, hairpins are finishing pins, and that's going to be used when we put a net on at the end.
I don't know if you can see this, but we'll actually have a closer picture of this. Those are hairpins.
And now we're on twist number 2, and we're going to keep going around. This is kind of like a little cinnamon bun, honestly, but it keeps the bun sort of flat and closer to the head. And this is really class issue bun. Yes, it's
Ooh, now I
great.
want a Cinnabon.
Yeah, it's kind of making me hungry. And we're just going to do this.
Wow, that's really coming together nice.
Yes, and then give it a nice little spray. And I know you're saying, okay, there's still pieces hanging out here, but if we're going to put a net on, which Brenda has a net, these are little goodie nets that you can find anywhere, and you're basically going to just put this on and twist it around.
My goodness.
And then we're going to take the hairpin, which is this one, the thin pin, and this is what's going to anchor
That is beautiful,
the net.
Michelle.
And then that's basically your ballet class issued bun.
Twist and pin and you're all set to go. Thanks for joining us at Hair Chat and That. I'm Brenda.
I'm Michelle.
Don't forget to subscribe on the button below.